Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Agarwal from the Pabbly team. Lot of people have this confusion where they ask how many tasks do they really need and how are the tasks really consumed inside a specific workflow. And in this video, I will be explaining you the concept of task and how do we calculate the task calculation whenever a flow or a workflow is executed. So let me just give you an example. So let's imagine this is one of your form solution from which you are capturing some kind of data. Okay, it may be a Jot form, it may be a Wufoo, it might be a Pabbly form builder. Just imagine any form solution through which you are collecting some lead or collecting some data. It can also be a Facebook lead ad account from where you are collecting a lead. Okay, and then once the form collects a specific lead, then you want the same lead to be sent to Google Sheet. Okay, you want the same lead to be sent to Google Sheet because you really want to see all the leads being collected inside your Google Sheet appropriately and clearly. So this is your second thing that you really want. Whenever there is a new lead inside the form, you really want to show that specific lead inside Google Sheet. And next, once you do that, you also want to send that lead inside your email marketing platform, and it can be anything. So I'll just write MailChimp. Okay. So once that is done, you really want to send the lead data to MailChimp, and effectively this is the complete workflow or complete automation workflow that you really want to execute. Now the amazing thing about Pabbly Connect is that we do not ever calculate any kind of trigger in the task calculation. So you can see this is the trigger part and this is the action part. Trigger part is something when an event happens inside any specific software. So whenever a submission happens inside this software, you can say that it is a trigger. And this specific trigger, I will just write trigger right here. This specific trigger is never counted inside your task calculation. So in this 3-step workflow, only the action step and only the action step in which we are doing some kind of external operations inside some softwares are calculated. So in this specific case, because we are sending lead data to Google Sheet, this will be your task number 1. And because we are sending a lead to the MailChimp as well at the same point of time, so this will be your task number 2. So in this specific workflow, you will be consuming 2 tasks every time this workflow runs from left to right or maybe from top to bottom. Okay. One more thing I would like to tell you that let's say if you're getting 10 form submissions on the left side or on your trigger side, if you're getting 10 form submission, because this entire workflow will execute 10 different times, it will be a total of 10 into 2 equals 20 task volume. Now, we never calculate trigger. So this is something that you have to know because if you check out other integration platform, a lot of integration platform also charge you for triggers, but essentially at our end, we do not charge you for triggers. Okay. So that is one thing. Now there are a lot of things that we actually offer for entirely free, and those kind of things are the things on which you do not even have to pay anything. So we actually offer a lot of different type of triggers. So when I talk about triggers, we actually offer you a webhook trigger. So that means if you're getting a data from any form software or any other source through a webhook, we do not count the trigger at all. Okay. We do not count any type of trigger, but I'm just explaining you all the triggers that are available, and so that you really know that you do not even have to pay for those kind of triggers. Second trigger that you do not even have to pay for is email parser. Okay, and email parser is something which is very unique to us because very few software actually offer this functionality where when you are getting any email at your end, you are able to parse that email and you can actually extract data from that email. So you can extract the from name, you can extract the from email, you can extract the body of the entire email, and you can basically extract as many things as possible from the very same email. So email parser is again something which we do not charge you for, so it is again free. And the third trigger that we offer is the schedule trigger, which means this trigger runs according to a set schedule, and it can actually run anytime you want based on your schedule. So if you want the workflow to run every 20 minutes, you can set that up inside a schedule trigger and it will automatically trigger every 20 minutes. If you say you want to trigger a workflow at any specific time of the day, it will actually trigger the entire workflow at any specific time of the day. And again, the schedule trigger is something that we do not charge you for. So all these things are completely free, and these are some of the things for which you do not even have to pay anything, and you can use them whenever you want and wherever you want. Okay. Apart from that, there are certain actions that we do not charge you for. So I'll just like to tell you all those actions as well for which we do not charge. Okay. So as you have seen in the initial video, I showed you how you spend one task when you send data to Google Sheet and how you spend another task when you send data to MailChimp. But there are several internal functions that we offer, and we actually offer more than 25 or 30 internal functions. And inside an internal function, we also offer sub functions. So for example, we offer the entire library of spreadsheet functions. So that means you can apply formulas like summation, division, multiplication, subtraction, averaging, rounding off, and you can basically we actually offer 300 functions within a single spreadsheet function. So all those internal functions are always free. So talking about actions, okay, so talking about actions, all the internal actions, okay, all the internal actions that you do inside our platform are entirely free. Okay. So for example, if you talk about internal actions, we offer spreadsheet functions, and we actually offer more than 300 spreadsheet functions. Okay. So all the spreadsheet functions are completely free, and we actually offer 300 plus spreadsheet function. These are like a spreadsheet formula. If you use Microsoft Excel or if you use Google Sheet, you know that there are a lot of functions that are already included inside a spreadsheet software. All those functions are available to you inside Pabbly Connect, and they are entirely free. You do not even have to pay for anything. Okay. Then all kind of extractions. So sometime when you get data from somewhere, the data is packed, and that data needs to be opened up using a module like JSON extraction. So the JSON extraction module is completely free. When you export or extract any data from a packed data, that does not cost you anything, and it actually costs you a task inside some different integration software all the time. Okay. Then we offer text formatter. Okay. Now text formatter means if you want to uppercase something, if you want to lowercase something, if you want to make something in a title case, and we actually offer a lot of text formatting function as well, like extracting of data from a big set of data. And so we actually have like regex functions as well, encryption, decryption functions as well. So basically all the text formatting functions are completely free. We actually have a list of long internal functions, but I'm still just telling you the primary functions that are completely available for free. Apart from that, number formatter. Okay, and inside number formatter, again, we have like lot of functions, and they are all free. You can use them anytime and any number of time within your workflow, and they will be completely free. Also, we offer date time formatting. So the date time formatting option allows you to add or subtract any number of dates from a given date. So for example, let's say if today is 10th of January, if you want to add 5 days to it, it will become 15th of January. Okay, and those kind of addition, summation functions are completely free. Inside the date time formatter, we also offer you a time zone converter. So if you enter a time from UTC time zone, and if you want to convert that into an Indian time zone, you can again do that with a date time formatter. If you want to grab current time from somewhere, again, that is completely free. And even if you want to format a specific date time system into a completely different date time format, you can also do that for entirely free. And we actually have a list of long internal functions which are completely free, and you can basically use those kind of functions easily within your workflow, and they will not cost you anything at all. Okay. And lastly speaking, we also offer you some interesting features like filters, and so we actually offer you two functions which are filters and routers. Okay. So when you use filters and routers, filter is something that, let's say if you are getting a long piece of data and if you want to filter a certain portion of data yourself, you can actually filter that data and you can actually get that data, and it is completely free whenever you use a filter. Similarly, if you use a router, it is again completely free. So you can imagine there are a lot of things which do not consume your task. Only the actions that you perform inside some external software cost you, and those are the things that you have to pay for. Again, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.